What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life. So, as y'all know, I haven't been feeling so hot, but I made one of my favorite sandwiches for lunch, which is pepperoni. Normally, I have cheese on it. Well, when I make it for breakfast, if I have cheese, I'll put cheese on it, but I don't have cheese this time, and Thousand Island dressing with bacon, or any bacon dressing really. It's a really good sandwich. I enjoy them. They're like, it's like pizza with bacon on it, or at least that's what it tastes like to me. Oh man, that's good. I'm halfway done with my Paxlovid. I just took my halfway dose this morning. Thank God that I'm halfway done with it. And yeah, so that was lunch. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.